Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Professor Muhammad. Okay, I will present about our circuit, which is a circuit of fire alarm system in greenhouse. Okay, we go through the component and its function. Okay, we have the smoke gas sensor. Gas sensor is detect the smoke, and then we have a light bulb. Light bulb will turn on when the gas sensor detects smoke. We have a power supply, which is supply the power. We have a LCD, which is display evacuate and the alarm. We have a piezo. Piezo is will make the sound when the gas sensor detects smoke. And last but not least, we have ultrasonic distance sensor, which is detect the movement. Okay. Before we play the simulation, I will go through about our circuit. Okay, when the gas sensor detect smoke, the buzz piezo will make a sound, and also a light bulb will turn on, and LCD will display the evacuate and alert for everyone to go out from the greenhouse, and ultrasonic will detect the movement in the greenhouse. Okay, let's display the simulation. And then when the gas sensor not detect any more smoke, the piezo will turn off, and also light bulb will turn off too, and LCD will display the safe to everyone to go back to the greenhouse. And why the ultrasonic sensor will detect the movement in the house. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.